Hey you guys, Jacob Hartley here. In this video I wanted to show you a little bit of income proof of what I've been able to do with this particular program that I'm about to show you, but I wanted to show you some results before I got into the actual what the program is. So here we go, let's go ahead and jump right in. Right here we have 500, 500, 500, and you'll see other payments kind of sprinkled in between all these of payments that I'm receiving. So 500, 500, 500, 500, 500, 500, 500, 500, 500, 500, 500, 500, and there we go. So you guys, I'm getting these $500 payments that are rolling in. It's thinking outside the box. I'm using a technology that allows me to get these commissions on autopilot. And I will say, results aren't typical, but don't be typical. Think outside the box. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'll go ahead and leave a link down below this video where you can click on it. It will take you to get the software that I'm using that will also allow you to have these $500 commissions rolling in on an automated basis. So, alright you guys, I look forward to working with you, seeing your success. Go ahead and click on the link below this video. Get yourself signed up for the software. Start using it. You can use it immediately right after you pay for it. And then we will see you on the inside. Have a great day.